Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your user ID on BingX. To find your user ID on BingX, first of all, launch open the BingX application on your smartphone and log in. Once you're inside the home page of BingX, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. And then in the expanded menu, you will see your user ID at the top. Right underneath your email, your user ID will be displayed. It is a long string of numbers, which is usually 8-digit long. Tap on the user ID in order to copy it in your device's clipboard, and there you go, that is your user ID. Your user ID is a unique number assigned to your account. It's often needed for referrals, customer support, or certain promotions. So there you go, that is how you easily find your user ID in the BingX application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.